What's up, guys? Welcome back to Oregon Fishing Adventures. Today I am out here on my favorite little creek and we are going to be chasing some cutthroat trout on the 3-weight today. I got a little dry dropper setup going. It's been a little while since I've been out to this creek, but I try not to put too much pressure on this. Thankfully, not very many people fish it or even know about it, so we're going to get out here today and hopefully we're going to find some cutthroat to play with. And got some exciting news for you guys too as well for the channel. So there's some new stuff. We're gonna dive into it here in a little bit. There's a spot right up the river here, and when I get to that spot, I'm gonna just take a break and kind of talk to you guys about the new stuff going on with the channel. So I'm really excited. It's definitely a long time coming, and we're gonna have some cool stuff going on moving forward. So we're gonna dive in. We're gonna get started with this little hole right here behind me and see if we can find a fish. All right, let's go. All right, guys. So here's this little hole that I want to fish, and gotta get the line out. Okay, I want to get a little closer to the water. Oh, there's one. Look at that. Pretty much first cast. Oh, and off. I'm using barbless hooks, guys. Just make another drift through. Oh, I thought I just had another take there. Nope. Oh man, it's a snag. All right, well, I had to unfortunately get in the water there to get my nymph back, but there's another little spot right up here we'll sneak down to, and there's almost always a fish in here, so we'll get down here and try to pull one out of this little mini waterfall here. This creek is loaded with cutthroat. The fish in this system are not big, so usually I'm not going to see anything over probably 8 inches in here. 8 inches is like a big fish for this little creek, but we're gonna sneak up in here and I bet you we can pull one out right now. Let's see, let's get some of this extra line. I don't quite need that much line out right here, so let's just oh, there's one. There's one. Whoop. Come here, buddy. Beautiful little cutthroat. See you later, buddy. All right. Get back up in there. I bet there's more fish in this pocket. It's usually a good little pocket for fish. I can usually pull a few out of here. So, oh, I think I just missed one. Oh, there's one. A little bit bigger one too. Not very big, but definitely bigger than that first one. Come here, buddy. Come on. Water is super cold. There you go. Beautiful little fish. Swim away, buddy. All right, sweet. I told you we'll probably find a few in this hole. Oh, there's another one on it right now. On the dry. Oh. There's definitely one going for the dry fly that time. So far, both of them have been on the nymph. Oh, I picked up a little leaf. All right, guys, so we're at this little spot here behind me. It's kind of changed quite a bit over winter, but this is usually a pretty good little spot I can pull some fish out of. It seems like the gravel bar kind of shifted a little bit over winter, but wanted to talk to you guys. I'm super excited. So I just recently got my first stage of monetization with YouTube, and I started this channel back in 2019. My buddy Scott the Trout Hammer, I don't know if you guys know him, but if you don't know Trout Hammer, go check out his YouTube channel. I'll definitely make sure to leave a link for you guys. He was the whole reason that I started my YouTube channel. I have a history in photography. I've always loved photography, but I never really had jumped into the videography realm. I'd never really put myself behind the camera or in front of the camera, as you should say. I've always been behind it, you know, taking pictures. So he definitely gave me the push that I needed to start making content, and I don't know if I ever would have started without his motivation. So it's super amazing that after 5 years of making content, 5 years of building a community and growing with all of you guys out there, that I'm finally at my first point of monetization. So what that means is I'm going to have super chats, super thanks. I think there's an option for like super emotes as well, as memberships. So my membership fee is set to $4.99. It's kind of a typical membership fee for most platforms, and I have a lot of cool plans with that. First thing I have going on is I have somebody working with me right now to create some badges. So we're gonna have some custom badges for people who do become members of the channel, and I think that's gonna be really cool, because a lot of times people get that monetization, they just leave their basic badges that YouTube sets up. I want to be a little bit different. I want to have something to give back to the community, and so I'm gonna have some cool badges, and then after the badges get made, we're gonna work on some emotes as well, and that should be really cool. We should have a couple fun ones. I think I can only do about 4 emotes to start with, but as we grow, we'll get more. And then we're gonna do some cool stuff as far as membership content as well. I know a lot of members have been wanting some more stuff that is relevant to like breaking down gear, tips and tricks videos, things like that. So we're gonna do some stuff like that, as well as maybe do a few things for like membership giveaways. So if you guys would like to support me, definitely make sure to do you know, the super thanks, the super chats when I go live, and join the membership, guys. What I'd really love, what my goal would be, is I'd honestly love to never see an ad on my channel. I would love if we could just strictly do this off of community support from you guys helping me out. And the more support that I can get from you guys, the more stuff that I can do with the channel. I am a low income, so sometimes it can be hard for me to even have the gas money to go fishing. So any help that I can get from you guys will help progress the channel, will help with making more content. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about that. I'm super excited, and we're gonna get back to fishing, but I just thought I'd stop for a second, let you guys know about the exciting stuff that's happening with the channel. And as things happen and progress, you're gonna start seeing those badges come in, those emotes come in, and more stuff for the channel overall. So very excited about that, and I hope you guys are too. So all right, well, let's get back to fishing and find some more cutthroat. I know there's got to be one in there. All right, so here's that little spot, and I have a feeling the fish are gonna be in this main little cut right smack dab in the middle. I'm gonna try to not get too close because I don't want to spook them. I'm gonna get a little bit more line out. Oh, fly line stuck. Okay. There we go. Oh, there's one. Little guy. Okay, we'll get him down here in the water. Little cutthroat, guys. Beautiful. This is a super healthy system. Super healthy. Let's see if I can pull another one. Might have spooked him. Okay. Might have spooked them. Any of the other ones that were in there with that first cast. But that's okay. I have a lot more water to cover out here. Let's dry off that dry fly. I also love this dry dropper fishing because that dry fly is working as my indicator to see what's happening with my dropper. If something takes my dropper, I will know. So, alright, cool. We pulled one out of there. I probably spooked anything else that's in there. But let's just move right up. I'm sure we can find another little spot here. Yeah, that's changed a little bit, huh? Alright, so we're gonna wade across the creek here. So I might actually be able to fish that little spot right here. Let's just try. Drop that in. Oh! Okay. It's kind of a tricky little spot there. Okay, let's move up. That one's a little challenging there, but I think we can find something up here. Ooh, that one went for the dry fly. I hope you guys saw that. Oh, snagged. Dang it. Okay, got it. Got it back. Let's try to go right here off the ripple. Oh. It's tricky fishing these small little creeks, but I love it. Oh, I love it so much. Okay. And like I said, guys, these fish aren't exactly big, but they're beautiful. Okay, we got one out of there. And I'm only using barbless hooks in this creek as well, just to try to help protect them, making sure my hands stay wet. Look at that, guys. Nice little thing of oyster mushrooms there growing off that log. That's pretty cool. We're gonna keep working off this creek. I want to get to this spot right here. I'm sure there's gonna be a fish in it. This creek is just one of those places where, ooh, oh my gosh, that was a slick ass rock. It's just one of those places that, like, when you look at a spot and you think there's gonna be a fish there, there's probably a good chance there's gonna be a fish there. First cast in this little run. Okay, let's try to get it again. I'm so surprised. Come on, there's got to be a fish sitting in there. I don't think I spooked from me falling. Yeah, that little ripple's too quick. Okay. Maybe there's nothing sitting in this little pocket today. It's definitely the spot. Nope. Oh. 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 Got one. We got one here. Little guy. Oh shoot. Oh no. I think this is the smallest one of the day. Beautiful though. Look at the colors. Holy shit. So cool. Alright, let's keep moving up the creek. Alright, standing on a little mossy rock. I'm just gonna check this water right in front of me before I walk through it. It's deep enough there could be something in there. So I just didn't want to walk through this to get... Oh, see? Fish just hit it right there. That's what I'm talking about. See, I didn't want to walk through there and miss an opportunity at a fish. So there's one right there. Okay. Beautiful. Love those oranges. The orange these cutthroat get is freaking amazing, especially in this system. Like, wow. So I think that was probably the little one that hit the first time. So we're just gonna keep moving up through this. There's another little good spot right up around the corner here, so that's where we're gonna try to get to. All right, here's a spot I can usually find one. Oh, there's one. Right away. Oh, and off. Damn. Okay. So let's try to cast. Oh, hold on, I gotta fix my dry fly. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna dry off that dry fly a little bit. Get it. We're gonna do a little bow and arrow cast right into this faster water here. Oh, I thought that was a fish. Okay. Get it back. Boom. There should be one sitting up in this. There almost always is a fish in this really oxygenated water here. Oh, there we go. Knew it. Another beauty. Heck yeah. Let's see if there's one on this inside on this side. Might have been two inside. Let's get that dry fly a little bit drier. Okay. Let's go right there. Oh, dang, I snagged on a rock. Wow, guys, look at this. So, this looks like beaver activity to me. Creating a dam. A natural dam. Wow, I've never actually seen a beaver out here personally, but I don't think that this is simply from just debris coming down the river system. That looks more like an actual beaver dam, so that's really cool. There is some fallen trees up here. Let's try to get through this. But let's see, this made this a little deeper of a hole, and there very well could be some fish hanging out in here. Let's try to go a little bit farther. Oh, kind of hard to fish through this stuff. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh, there's a nice one. Oh, okay. Let's get a quick release on this guy. Okay, we're gonna pop him up. Beautiful fish, biggest one of the day. Wow, look at that, guys. Beautiful fish. Later, buddy. Wow, that's awesome. Heck yeah. I had a feeling there was gonna be a good fish in there. Heck yeah. That's awesome. So now we're gonna move right up above it here. There's another awesome little, well, there's two of them. There's this spot here. And then there's one right up above it. Oh, that was a little guy. I saw that one come up for it. Oh, there's a little one. I came up for it. Hold on, buddy. Let me get. Oh, he came off the hook already. That's the nice thing about running these barbless hooks, though. They just pop off pretty easily. Not much damage to them. So, all right, we're gonna cut back and then we're gonna fish this little section here. All right. There should be a fish in here. Usually I can find one in this little run because it's just perfect. Oh, another nice one. Not as big as that one that was just down the river, but A nice little, oops, slip right out. Come on. Come on, buddy. Beautiful. And all of these are resident cutthroat that are in this system. None of these are like a sea run variant or anything. These are just resident cutties. You basically find them in any stream in Oregon that's on the coastal range. All right, guys, we are at the next hole. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna find one in here. Oh my God. Come on, stay on, stay on, stay on, stay on. Oh my God, what a nice cutty. I mean, for this creek anyways, like that's a freaking beauty. Look at that. Oh wow. What a beautiful little cutthroat. Oh my God. All right, buddy, swim on. That is awesome. That's the biggest one of the day. Holy crap. I had a feeling. I just looked at that spot and I was like, man, there's gonna be a fish in there. Wow. That was awesome. Biggest fish of the day. Still a little guy. Like I said, there's no big fish in this creek, but there is a lot of fish in this creek. Oh, it was just jumping right there in the tail out. Maybe I thought it was still hooked or something. Okay, I'm gonna go in this little back pocket here. Man, I feel like I can't get the dry fly to dry out enough anymore. I just think I'm gonna have to change it. All right, we're gonna try to pull one out of this right here. Ooh. There we go. Another really small one. That might have been the smallest one of the day. Can't see it in the ripple. Okay, cool, got one out of there. Little guy though. Keep it moving. There's another spot just down the river here that might hold a decent fish in it, so. Okay, we're gonna get the fly into this. Decent one. Decent little guy. Yeah, it's a decent one right there. Sweet. See you later, buddy. See if I can get another one. Oh my God, that's the, oh my God. Oh my God, please stay on. That's the fish of the day. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my God. Stay on, come on. Holy crap. Oh my God, guys. Look at that. Holy crap, what a specimen. Wow. Wow. Wow, what a nice fish. Holy crap. Wow, what a beautiful, that is what I'm talking about. Like, wow. On these little small creeks, dude, I don't care if you guys think that was a small fish. Like, on these small creeks, to hook a fish like that is freaking amazing. Those are like the kings of the creek. Like, especially when they're this size creeks, to find a fish that's that nice, that colored, that size, like that is a king of the creek right there. Especially for a little native cutthroat population. I mean, you guys have seen the fish that I've been pulling out of here today. None of them have been that big. Oh, I'm so glad I landed that. Holy crap. Wow, okay, that was awesome. Okay, let's move to the next hole. That was so cool. All right, we're gonna try this little section here, and then there's another one just down the creek from it. There's some debris in here that oh man, my nymph kept snagging. Might not be a problem now, but might have spooked anything in there when I pulled that out. Oh, there's still a snag in there. Okay, I'm just gonna move on from that. There's another little spot right down here. There's kind of two. There's this one, which is a little bit faster water. And then this one here. Oh, first cast in there. Nice. Come on, buddy. Little guy. Is there another one though? Ooh, that was a decent one. It went for the dry fly too. Oh, no way. It went for it another time. There we go. We got a little dry fly eater. About the same size as that last one though, but it ate the dry. Oops. There you go, buddy. Nice. Got a little dry fly eat. All right, that's gonna wrap it up for us today, guys. Thanks so much for coming along with me today. It was a great day out here on this little creek. This is one of my favorite little creeks to come and fish. Not big fish in here, but that's why I bring my 3-weight. Those little fish are a ton of fun. They're super aggressive. And I was able to get that one nice cutthroat. That was a beautiful cutthroat. I was so stoked on that. And yeah, again, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, definitely am going to be having some new channel badges, new emotes, and some more stuff coming to the membership page here in the near future. If you guys would like to support me, I really would like to keep this channel community supported. I really don't want to go the route of doing ads for any kind of monetization. I'd really just like to stick to community support. So the more that you guys can support me, the more stuff that I can do for the channel. all the money that I get from YouTube is going to directly go to fishing. It's going to go towards me being able to have gas for my vehicle. It's going to be able to go towards replacing things that I lose while out fishing, and maybe even some a little bit more expensive trips to go a little bit farther and fish some different things that I haven't really fished before. So yeah, guys, I appreciate all your guys' help. I'm so stoked that we finally got to this point after 5 years of making content, and I really couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you, every single one of you guys, and we'll see you next time on another Oregon fishing adventure. Peace.